Welcome to this tutorial on restriction enzyme cloning using Photo51. Restriction cloning is one of the oldest and most reliable DNA assembly methods. It uses restriction enzymes to cut DNA at specific sequences, producing defined fragments that can be ligated together to form new constructs. Despite the rise of newer techniques, restriction cloning remains a core approach in many labs thanks to its simplicity, robustness, and the large variety of commercially available enzymes. First, prepare your destination vector. Open your vector. Go to My Files and select your destination vector. Double-click the desired file to open it, or select and click Open in the top toolbar. Navigate to the Cloning toolbar. Click Restriction Cloning to open the cloning workflow window. If you would like to change your vector, click the pencil icon next to the plasmid name or Change Vector at the bottom of the box. Choose a vector from My Files, paste in a sequence, or drag and drop a file. Next, linearize your vector. Select one or more restriction enzymes from the drop-down list. You can search by enzyme name. Photo51 will visually display available cut sites and simulate the digestion on the vector map, highlighting the final vector region. Next, prepare your inserts. To add inserts, click New Insert at the bottom of the window or select Inserts at the top. Again, select one or more restriction enzymes from the drop-down list and observe the linearized region. Make sure that the digested insert fragment is compatible with your vector. When finished selecting inserts and restriction enzymes, go to the bottom of the window and click Assemble. Photo51 will display a visual preview of your assembled plasmid. When satisfied, click Save Assembled Product to store your new construct in My Files. You have now completed restriction cloning using Photo51. For more cloning workflows and tips, check out our other tutorials.